Okay, now we're going to go over a different form called the general form, and this, nobody really likes this form because you have to work a lot with it. And the formula is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And this a, b, and c, all of those are just numbers. Unfortunately, though, you can't just take the vertex out like you could in this standard form. Unfortunately, for the vertex here, there's a bunch of math. And the vertex here, the way to get the x value is negative b over 2a. And then the y value is, I'm going to kind of explain it with words, is what you get when you plug your x in. So anyway, to get the vertex, we take your b, make it negative, divided by 2a. Then to get your y value, you take that negative b over 2a and plug it back into the equation. So let's do an example. Let's say we have f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 1. Oh, and this is an example, my bad. And I want to know what the vertex is. So right away I look and see which formula it is, or which equation it is, and it's not the standard where we can just pull out the vertex. That's kind of bad. So now we have to look, and it's the general form. And for the general form, to find the x, we have to do that negative b over 2a. So I do negative b over 2a. And you might be thinking, what are the a, b's, and c's? Well, a is just like it was with the quadratic formula that we've done before. A is your 3, b is your negative 12, and c is your 1. So I just plug in the numbers. I put negative, and then your b value is negative 12, all over 2 times my a, and my a is 3. And be careful of these double negatives. Again, I had one negative from this little formula, and then I had one negative from the actual equation, so I had to put both of them down. So on top it makes a positive 12, on bottom it makes a 6, and 12 divided by 6 is dose. So that's my x value. To find your y, you just plug that 2 right back in the equation. So I plug this 2 up in the equation. So I'm going to have 3 open parentheses 2 squared minus 12 open parentheses 2 plus 1. And we can either do that in our head or the calculator, but I think it's negative 11, hopefully. Okay. So my vertex is just 2 comma negative 11. Woo, and that's how you find the vertex of some crazy formula that doesn't have parentheses already in it.